Hi, I'm Eileen. I'm so happy to have the opportunity to participate in this year's Google Summer of Code with Kubebuilder. My contribution is mainly around external plugins, which allows users to create an independent, standalone plugin as a binary. So, in these scenarios, you may consider using the external plugin. If you want to create helpers or add-ons on top of the default scaffolds, if you design customized layouts and want to leverage functions from Kubebuilder library, if you're looking for implementing plugins in a language other than Go. The external plugin supports the same subcommands as Kubebuilder already provides. Also, there are optional subcommands such as metadata and flags for better user experience. It's users' choice to use them or not. Since the external plugin is an executable, it needs to be implemented in a pattern that Kubebuilder knows how to interact with it. By design, the inter-process communication between the plugin and Kubebuilder is through the standard in and standard out. This means your external plugin can be written in any language, given it adheres to the plugin request and plugin response type structure. You can get more about this part in Kubebuilder book. To use your plugin, there are some prerequisites. First, your Kubebuilder version should be later than 3.11.0. Of course, you need to have your plugin ready, whether you've created by yourself or one from an external source. Then, you need to configure the plugin path following a group-like name and version scheme like this, so that Kubebuilder can know where your plugin is. Next, I'll give a quick showcase of a simple JavaScript plugin to give a direct sense. So first, here is my external plugin. The first step is to build it into an executable and put it to a value path. Export this path. Then I create a directory to scaffold a new project. First, I can use the help flag to get info about each subcommand. This is because my plugin implemented the metadata subcommand. Here I would take init as an example. So I can use the init command to init the project with the flag number. I'll get two files, init file and project. The project file is a default file provided by Kubebuilder for tracking. Then I can try to create API subcommand. This would generate a new file, API file. Likely, we can try to create webhook command. And we would also get a new file, webhook file. Next, we can try the edit subcommand. This action would have some modification over the API file. This is just a very simple example. User can substitute the subcommanded content based on the real cases. So, that's all about this summary of my work during this summer. I'd express my sincerest appreciation for the support from my mentors, Bryce, Camilla, Rashmi, and Tony. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach me on Slack.